Dear viewers and fellow personality enthusiasts, welcome to this video, where we embark on a journey through the quirky and sometimes bewildering world of communication styles. Today, we are here to explore the fascinating realm of MBTI types and discover the secrets to navigating these diverse communication landscapes. So, fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're about to take off on a humorous adventure. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, think about this for a little while. How many of you have experienced a communication breakdown in your relationships? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, struggling to decode messages, decipher intentions, and wondering if our loved ones were abducted by aliens overnight. But fear not, my dear friends, for understanding the different communication styles associated with MBTI types can be the key to unlocking the secrets of successful interpersonal communication. So, let's dive right in. Picture this. You're having a conversation with an extroverted individual, ENFP or ESFP. They are like a colorful fireworks display, bursting with energy and enthusiasm. Their words flow like a river in full flood. If you blink for a moment, you might miss a dozen sentences. So, what's the secret to navigating this whirlwind of words? Buckle up and hold on tight. Keep up with their pace, interject with your enthusiastic input, and let them know you're fully engaged. And hey, if you need a breather, just pretend to tie your shoelaces. They won't even notice. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the world of introverts, INFJ or ISTJ. The introverts, those mysterious beings who communicate in a language only they fully understand. Their conversations resemble a slow dance, a delicate tango of thoughts and reflections. If you are conversing with an introvert, my advice is simple. Patience, my friend. Patience. Give them the space and time they need to articulate their ideas. Don't worry. They'll eventually emerge from their cocoon and surprise you with profound insights. And if you really want to make them feel comfortable, just whisper softly, "I won't tell anyone we're having this conversation." Moving right along, we encounter the thinkers, INTP or ESTJ. The logical minds, the conquerors of the rational realm. For them, communication is akin to constructing a complex puzzle, where every word is a piece that must fit perfectly. So, how can we navigate their cerebral labyrinth? Well, my friends, you better bring your intellectual A game. Engage in stimulating debates, present well-reasoned arguments, and don't forget to polish your logical armor. And remember, when in doubt, just say, "I couldn't agree with you more, and here are 10 logical reasons why." Last but not least, we have the feelers, INFP or ESFJ, those tender-hearted souls who communicate with a symphony of emotions. Conversations with feelers are like walking through a field of blooming flowers, where every word is an expression of their deepest feelings. So, what's the secret to connecting with these emotional maestros? Simple. Bring out your empathy cape. Listen attentively, validate their emotions, and respond with compassion. And if you really want to make them feel appreciated, just say, "Your feelings matter to me, and so does that adorable puppy video you shared." Behold, the intuitive types, INTJ or ENTJ, have arrived. These strategic thinkers communicate with laser-like precision and a touch of grandeur. Their conversations resemble a chess match, where every move is carefully calculated. So, how can we navigate their intellectual prowess? Well, my friends, prepare yourself for a battle of wits. Engage them in thought-provoking discussions, challenge their ideas, but be prepared to defend yours. And remember, a well-placed compliment about their brilliance wouldn't hurt either. Just don't be surprised if they respond with a smug grin and a whispered, "Checkmate." Next in line are the sensors, ISFJ or ESTP, the masters of the here and now. These down-to-earth individuals communicate with a practical and hands-on approach. Their conversations are like a step-by-step guide, providing you with all the details you need. So, how can we connect with these grounded souls? Well, my friends, roll up your sleeves and prepare to get your hands dirty. Engage in real-life examples, share practical advice, and be sure to throw in some witty anecdotes. And remember, if all else fails, just say, "Let's get things done together," and then we can relax with a bowl of ice cream. Last but certainly not least, we have the perceiving types, INTP or ENTP, the playful and inventive communicators. These curious souls dance with ideas, exploring every nook and cranny of the intellectual universe. Their conversations resemble a spontaneous jam session, where the melodies of their thoughts intertwine. So, how can we join their creative symphony? Well, my friends, embrace your inner child and let your imagination run wild. Engage them in intellectual play, bounce off ideas like a game of ping pong, and don't forget to sprinkle a healthy dose of humor into the mix. And remember, when all else fails, just say, let's dive into this rabbit hole of ideas and see where it takes us. There you have it, my friends, a comprehensive tour of the diverse communication styles of all the MBTI types. Remember, understanding and embracing these differences can pave the way for stronger and more meaningful relationships. So, let's embark on this journey together, armed with patience, empathy, wit, and a touch of humor. May your conversations be filled with laughter, understanding, and the joy of truly connecting with those around you. Thank you, and may your communication adventures be filled with many humorous anecdotes and heartwarming connections.